welcome back to Just for Fun 290. Today we're going to be opening up this Yo-Ho, Let's Glow, Secret Lost City, and Hook's Battle Boat. First let's check out Hook's Battle Boat. Alright, here's all the stuff that comes in this set. It comes with Captain Hook. I'm Captain Hook, and I have Hook right here. See? It also comes with this cannon. Looks like it's rocking with the waves. How cool is that? Haha! Gotcha! Now let's open up Yo-Ho, Let's Glow, Secret Lost City. Comes with Jake and a cool glow-in-the-dark rock. Alright, let's check out this Secret Lost City. Comes with this cool Jake. Looks like he's got a climbing rope on. And a helmet. And it also comes with this glow-in-the-dark boulder. Now I'm going to show you guys how it glows in the dark. I know the secret treasures are around here somewhere. Can you guys help me find it? Awesome! Okay, let's go. Let's try climbing up this wall. Now, do you guys see anything? Anywhere there'd be like a map or something? Behind me? Okay, let's look. Oh, we got it! Wow, so that's where the treasure is. Haha, what do we have here? Whoa, what's going on? Should've known. Captain Hook. What do you want, Hook? What else? Me treasure. Now give it to me, or I'll shoot. Okay, okay. It's down there. Just press down on the skull. Haha, the treasure is mine. Ah, my boat! Sinking! Oops, sorry, Hook. Forgot to mention the boulder. Time to go get my treasure.
Leonardo, what is going on with you? You've been sitting on the couch all day. I would expect this from Michelangelo, but not you.
Master Splinter, what's wrong with enjoying the finer things in life and sitting on the couch all day?
That's it. You must get a job today.
Wait a second, I must get a what?
I said you must find a job, as in work, and you must find your job today. No questions asked.
This is not fair, but I suppose I'll do it for you, Master Splinter.
I will see you later, Leonardo.
See you later, Master Splinter. And when I do, I'll have a brand new job. Alright, now I just have to figure out where I'm gonna work. I could work at the bank, but I don't see any hiring signs up. Let me see what else is out there. This is not looking good, and if I don't find a job, Master Splinter's gonna be so mad at me. Now hiring? Apply today? This is perfect! Hello officers, my name is Leonardo, and I'm here for a job, because my sensei told me I need one. You're looking for a job because your sensei told you you need one? What kind of skills do you have? I'm a ninja, and I'm a master with swords. Those are two great skills to have, but we're looking for someone that is highly motivated to arrest the bad guys like Shredder. Wait a second, you need somebody to arrest Shredder? If that's true, I'm your turtle, and I'm ready to start now. That's the motivation I'm looking for. You're hired. Put on your uniform And gentlemen, take down the hiring sign. Officer Leonardo is ready to serve and protect. Looking good, Officer Leonardo. Now you just need transportation. How about this? Wow, that thing is awesome. It sure is. Have you driven one of these before? I sure have. Now it's time to bring Shredder to jail. The plan is to team up together to control the streets. Do we have a deal, Joker? This is a setup. You're working with the police. He's not working for the police because I'm working for the police, and you're under arrest, Shredder. That sounds a lot like Leonardo. It is Leonardo. It's Officer Leonardo, and you're coming with me. Never! You can't catch me. All right, hands behind your back. You're coming with me. Now I just have to think of a way to get you back. Get me down from here. You didn't read me my rights. Shredder, the only rights you have are to go to jail because you're a bad guy. It looks like the rookie caught the most wanted person in the city. Nice work, Officer Leo. There's a jail cell waiting for him. Put me down. I'll put you down, Shredder, right in jail. Your first day couldn't have gone better. We'll see you back here tomorrow at 8 a.m. You got it. See you later. I get to sit here first. No way, Mikey. I get to sit there first. No, I call it. All right, you're all under arrest. What are the police doing here? It's not the police, it's Leo. You're right, it is Leo. What are you doing in that costume, Leo? Well, Master Splinter told me to get a job, so I did. Now I'm Officer Leo. And by the way, I'm not really gonna arrest you guys.
I am so proud of Leonardo for finding a job. Raphael, Michelangelo, and Donatello, now you must find a job tomorrow, and that's an order.
Hi, welcome to Just for Fun 290. Today we're going to be opening up these stormtroopers. First we have this animatronic interactive figure. Then we're going to design a vinyl stormtrooper with stickers, markers, and stencils. And I have two helpers to help me today.
Hi. Hi. First we're going to open up this interactive stormtrooper.
But we're gonna open up the stormtrooper.
And this is the back of the box.
Okay, so here's the stormtrooper out of the box. Let's take a look at him.
Hold on. What's going on? Hold on.
He also comes with this owner's manual.
You can go about your business.
Let's see what he can do. Let's put him in battle mode. So we'll raise his right arm.
You stand guard.
And he also talks back to you when you talk to him. Hi, Stormtrooper.
You don't need to see his identification.
Oh, how did they do
He's not the droids we're looking for.
Oh, how did they do
Stop it!
Maybe it's another drill. Alright. We think they may be splitting up. They may be on level 5 and 6 now, sir.
You know what, in you.
Stop that shit!
Ow, ow, ow,
Give me like your report, please. Right. Give me like your report, please. Right. Stop that shit!
Alright, so next we're going to open up this design a vinyl Stormtrooper, and my helpers are going to help me color it. Does that sound fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
So here's all the stuff that comes in this set. comes with a head of a stormtrooper that we're gonna color. Comes with all these cool markers.
And it comes to the back of the head.
Yep. And it comes with a stencil. And it comes with stickers. So I have 3 helpers here. And we're gonna give them each 2 markers. Now we're gonna design this stormtrooper head. All right, your marks, get set, go. Now we're gonna add stickers. Alright, so this is our finished stormtrooper head. Alright, so we're gonna say bye now. Everyone say bye.
Bye!
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, you guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Just for Fun 290. Today we'll be checking out some really cool DreamWorks Dragons toys. We have Toothless and Hiccup versus Armored Dragon. We also have Astrid and Stormfly. And lastly, we have Drago and War Machine. The first set we'll be looking at out of the package is Drago and War Machine. Here's Drago. Drago is all ready to capture some dragons today. We'll see if he can do it. And this is War Machine. And it can roll. Right here we can put Drago. It also looks like it has 2 launchers. And to make it launch, we just pull back on these. Next, let's check out Astrid and Stormfly. And next, let's check out her dragon, Stormfly. And it looks like Stormfly's wings can move. And check this out, this is pretty cool. Just connect this here and push down right here. and the tail can launch. Lastly, we have Toothless, Hiccup, and Armored Dragon. First, let's check out Armored Dragon. And the wings can flap again on this one. And this dragon comes with some really cool armor. We just snap it in right here. And if we want the armor to pop off, we just push in right here. Next we have Toothless and Hiccup. And this one's name is Hiccup. And this is Hiccup's dragon, Toothless. Let's put Hiccup on his dragon. Hey, watch where you're shooting that thing. Sorry about that, we were just practicing. It's not like I was aiming for you or anything. Even if you were, you couldn't get me anyway. Is that a challenge? It sure is. Now come and get me. You're gonna have to fly faster than that if you want to get me. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Now we just have to get the armored dragon that did this. Hey, watch out! He's right behind you! And if that's not enough, this will be. An armored dragon, you know what that means? I sure do. Drago, and he's closing in on us. Let's go get him before he gets us. I think I see him. He's over there. I must capture all the dragons in the world. And it looks like I just found 2. Launcher ready? Whoa, that was close, but you still missed. Toothless, down to the ground. Hey there, Drago. I have something for you. Now give me your dragons. Drago, if you want Toothless, you're gonna have to get past me first. Hey, why did you do that? I wanted to battle him. You're just trying to waste time because you don't think you can catch me. That's it. Toothless is much faster than Stormfly.